So we're taking our daughter back to Tampere where she is studying, and we decided actually that why not? Why wouldn't we just go to Tampere also? We've been studying there back at the 80s, and Tampere is a really nice city, so we decided that okay, let's spend one night over there. And then the hotel we are going is nice spa hotel, so, and we've been there several times. It's nice surrounded, it's beside a lake, and there's a spa. Unfortunately that is also closed due to corona, but anyway, it should be really nice hotel to spend the night. There's a balcony also looking to the lake, so let's see. So here we are. The weather's changed a bit. It was sunny when we left and now it's raining. And it's January in Finland. It should be snowing, but it's raining. Well, it's supposed to change a bit better, so that's what it is at the moment. Yeah, so we can shortly look what this room looks like. It's in 11th floor, so we are pretty high.
Yeah.
So
nice view.
Nice view. The weather is not the best, but tomorrow it should be. So then it looks much nicer. But okay. So how do you think about this room?
Yeah, it's very nice and cozy and roomy.
Yeah, enough space, definitely. Let's look at the toilet also. Important place. We don't have sauna in here. We could have that, but we just took this kind of standard room this time. But really nice place. We can definitely be here at least one night. Yeah, so unfortunately it's Corona time, which means that okay, they serve white wine, only alcohol, only until 5 o'clock. Now it's 10 to 5, so we can go downstairs. And I would really like to have this classic pizza. I like it a lot, but it's only takeaway, so we'll go and check what the situation is.
Other side.
What will happen? Will we get the wine? Will we get the pizza? Can we have the pizza and wine together? Or what will
Many
happen?
questions.
Yeah. So now we got some pizza and we got some white wine. So not bad. According to Corona time, we had to take them from different places. This white one is from the bar, and then the pizza is from classic pizza over there. Takeaway. It's a takeaway, but they served it to us.
Yeah.
So
Looks wonderful.
yeah,
Anyway.
let's try. we are.
Yeah.
In the center of Tampere. Tammerkoski Rapids are behind us.
Yeah.
Does it give you anything to remember? Memories?
Yeah, I think it was here where I met your parents the first time we had dinner.
Yeah, that's right. Breakfast time, masks on.
Yeah.